Imagine making up to $10,000 per month using the CC route with the latest Google VEO3. Quite interesting, right? I know it is. And as a matter of fact, a lot of people are already crushing it right here on the social media network just by creating high quality and engaging videos like this one right here.
I used to struggle with my children's uniforms. Red mud, palm oil, stew stains, nothing ever came out properly. But when I tried Supreme Wash, even the oldest stains disappeared. No stress, no hard scrubbing. Now, all the women in our village use it. Even Mama Efe stopped boiling her clothes. My sister, don't dull. Use Supreme today.
And then this one.
Please, Clara, just tell me what I did. Why are you doing this?
Don't play innocent, Maya. Ever since your father died, this house has been nothing but noise and drama.
So that's it? You're just gonna throw me out like garbage?
You're old enough to figure out life on your own. You should thank me, Hey. I'm setting you free.
Free or forgotten?
Take your things and don't come back.
And then posting it on their social media pages, which gives them a lot of engagement and views, which in turn pays them once their page are being monetized. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything you need to know about this latest Google VEO3 and how to use it for your own advantage. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So for us to get started, the first thing I need to do is to head on to my browser like I'm doing right now, and I expect you to head on to yours. And then once you head on to your browser, you type Google VEO3 like I'm doing right now. So once you type it, you enter it, and you're going to be seeing a lot of pages right here. But Google's official web page for their AI is DeepMind.google, which is what I clicked right now. So once you enter, this is the page right here. So if you're not seeing any of these things like I'm showing you guys right here on this page, then know that it's not the main Google web page. So, but this is the official web page of Google AI. And on this page, they are going to be leaving you with two options. It's either you try the Google AI with Gemini or you try with the inflow. But here I'm going to be trying it with the inflow because that's the easiest part of it. I'm going to be clicking on the inflow, try inflow right there. So once I click on it, it will take me right to the official web page of the Inflow AI, which is where I am right now. You can see this is the official web page of the Inflow AI, and you can see it's looking cool. So the next thing you're going to be doing right on this page is signing up for an account on this page, because without any account we can't perform any single task right on this website without any account. So I'm going to be clicking on the Get Started tab located below to get started with creating an account. So after that, I'm going to be clicking on the sign up with Google. They made it easier for me to create an account right on this website. So right here, I'm going to be choosing one of my email to create an account, which is what I'm doing right now. So I've already created an account. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to check these boxes and then click on save to continue. So once I'm done doing that, the next thing is to accept their terms of services. And then I'll click on continue to finalize my registration. So right now I'm done with the registration, and this is the main website right here. So right now, the next thing you're going to be doing is subscribing to this tool, because we can't do anything, we can't perform any single task on this tool without subscribing to it. And Google gives free 1 month subscription right here with 1000 credits right on the inflow tool. So we're going to be subscribing to the free 1 month trial for us to continue with what we are doing. So I'm going to be clicking on Get AI Pro to subscribe to their free 1 month. So after that free 1 month, you can start paying if you want. So right now, I've succeeded in subscribing right on this tool, which is the Inflow tool by Google. So I'm going to be clicking on the Go to Flow tab, which will also bring me back to the Flow tool, which is where we're going to be doing everything we're going to be doing right on this video. So right here, you can see how the tool is. You can see where they wrote create new project. So I'm going to be creating a new project, which I've done right here. So the space provided right here with the text, generate a video with text, is where we're going to be imputing our text for we to generate the video that we want with our text. So you can see that right here. But then we are not going to be typing a random text here, because if we do, we will end up generating something we don't like and then thereby wasting credits. So for we to generate something appealing like the one you saw earlier in this video, we need to use an AI prompt engineer like ChatGPT or DeepSeek to generate that. So for we to do that, we need to head on to ChatGPT, which is what I'm doing right now. So before I proceed in telling ChatGPT the kind of prompt that I want it to produce for me, I will first of all get it ready by typing this simple text right on it, which says, act like a professional AI prompt engineer. I want you to generate a video prompt for me. So this is the test right here. It's just a simple basic test to get ChatGPT ready for the prompt. So once ChatGPT gives me a response, which I think it has already done, then I will proceed in describing the kind of prompt I want to generate just by texting ChatGPT again. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now, texting ChatGPT again. But this time it's all about describing the kind of prompt I want. So I've already done it right now. You can see the prompt right here, which says, I want you to create a short story of two people, an old man and a young African man, both sitting and facing each other, having a conversation. So this is the kind of prompt I want it to generate. And in order to make them say something in the conversation, I also added something extra to it, an extra text which says, I want you to also add an imaginary conversation that they are having that can be relationship conversation or any other type of conversation. I know you might be wondering why I added the extra text about the conversation. Well, the reason why I added it is very simple. If I did not add it, ChatGPT might just create a simple video prompt without adding the discussion part where they are talking. So that's why I decided to remind it on time by adding this extra text so that it will understand the kind of prompt I want it to generate. So right now, my prompt is already generating, and you can see that right there. So the prompt is already done generating, and you can see the thing right there. So what I'm going to be doing is very simple. I'm going to be copying this prompt right here. So once I copy it, the next thing I'm going to be doing is going back to the Flow AI and then pasting it right there. So that is what I'm going to be doing right here. So I'm going to be pasting the prompt right there and then clicking on generate for it to start generating. So my prompt is already generating into a video. So right now, I succeeded in generating a video with this prompt that I just generated from ChatGPT. So it's time for me to play it so that you guys will see how the video goes.
How do you know when a woman truly loves you?
Toba, you want to cross the river before even seeing the crocodile.
So guys, this is just the video right here. Just a short conversation between two people, an elderly man and a young guy. So I know you might be wondering, why is the video so short? Well, the video is just an 8 seconds video, and that's how long any video generated by Flow AI can go. 8 seconds max. Now, I know you might be wondering, how do you make it longer then? Well, you don't need to wonder because I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually make your video longer than 8 seconds. So let's continue with what we are doing. So right now, I'm going to be heading back to ChatGPT to generate a different prompt right now to do a long video. So right now I'm going to be putting the first prompt which says, I like a professional prompt AI prompt engineer. I want you to generate a video script for a commercial advert. So this time around I'm going to be generating a commercial advert and it's going to be a random one. I'm not trying to promote any products or services, just AI generated advert. So moving on, I'm going to be adding more text to this prompt to further explain to ChatGPT the kind of advert, commercial advert I want. Right now, I've already added the extra text and everything says, unlike a professional AI prompt engineer, I wanted to generate a video script for a commercial advert. The commercial advert is about a detergent that washes out stains on clothes, and the advert should consist in spoken words by a woman who has once used this detergent, talking about how effective it is. Ensure to add a better environment with people that suits the advert. Now you can see that it makes more sense more than the initial text that I wrote there before. So right now, I'm going to be sending it to ChatGPT for it to develop a good prompt for our advert. So right now, ChatGPT has successfully created a prompt for us for our commercial advert. Now, this is the prompt right here showing you guys. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to copy this prompt one after the other like I am doing right now. So once I'm done copying this prompt one after the other, the next thing is to start generating the videos with each prompt that I copied. So I'm going to be doing that for all the prompts on this script one after the other. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. And when it comes to generating the videos, we're going to be following the same process just like we did before. Just copy those prompts and then pasting it on the Flow AI. So, but you're going to be doing that one after the other for which each conversation that you copied from that ChatGPT prompt. You're going to be posting it one after the other so that you can be able to generate all your videos completely, because each video will be 8 seconds. So generating one after the other till you're complete. So that's how you're going to be doing it. So right now, these are the videos that I'm generating using the prompt that we copied from ChatGPT. So these are all of them right now. You can see all of them one after the other. So once it's done generating, I'm going to be playing all of them one after the other so that you guys should see what I'm talking about. So right now I've generated the video, and these are the list of videos that I actually generated using the prompt we copied from ChatGPT. So these are the list of videos right here. So I'm going to be playing one of these clips so that you guys will hear and understand what I'm saying.
But when I tried supreme wash, even the oldest stains disappeared. No stress, no hard scrubbing.
Now I hope you can see how smooth that particular clip was. It was a very smooth one and I love it. So the next thing I'm going to be doing after I'm done generating my clips right now is to download it. So I'm going to be downloading each and every clip that I generated right here. So after downloading it, I will use my video editor to merge all of them together so that it will make sense. So let's continue with what we are doing. So right now we proceed in downloading these clips like I said. So I'm already downloading it right away. I'm going to be downloading all of them like I told you guys. Due to time factor, I'm not going to be showing you guys where and how I downloaded all of them. I had to cut that part because it wasn't necessary due to time factor. So I'm going to be proceeding right now to my video editing app where I'm going to be merging all those videos that I just downloaded right from the Flow AI so that I can show you guys the result immediately. So moving on to my video editor app right here, I'm going to be opening a new project where I'm going to be importing all the clips that I generated from the AI video generator owned by Google. So I'm going to be importing all of them one after the other and then setting it in a proper sequence according to how I want it to be. So this is what I'm doing right now, importing all of them. So right now I'm setting it. I'm going to be setting it right here. So I'm going to be putting everything so that it will make sense. And for me to make it make sense, I'm going to be setting it according to the script we generated from ChatGPT. So that's what I'm following right now to set it. So right now I'm done setting it. I'm going to be exporting it immediately. So guys, I'm done exporting it and I'm going to be playing the video right now so that you guys can see the beautiful work I just did right on this video. So are you guys ready? Now let me play it.
I used to struggle with my children's uniforms. Red mud, palm oil, stew stains, nothing ever came out properly. But when I tried supreme wash, even the oldest stains disappeared. No stress, no hard scrubbing. Now all the women in our village use it. Even Mama Efe stopped boiling her clothes. My sister, don't dull. Use Supreme today.
Wow, I love how that video turned out and I know you love it too. Now let's talk about the monetary value of making this kind of video and posting it online. In other words, let's talk about how you can actually monetize this kind of video and then make money from it. Now, the first way of which you can actually monetize this kind of video is making an interesting videos like this one I just make right here and then posting it on your social media pages just like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and then once you get the engagement, the views, and then reach the monetization threshold, then you will start making money from it, which is the first way. So the second way of which you can actually make money from this kind of videos is getting paid by brands and individuals for you to make advertisement videos like this one that I just make right in this video for them, and then they get you paid in return. So this is how you can actually make money by creating this kind of videos and posting it online. So there are several other ways which I'm going to be talking about right in my next video. But for now, I hope you learned a lot from this video, and I will say thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful at the end, and don't forget to subscribe if you're a new viewer who is just coming across my channel for the first time. So thanks for watching once again guys, and see you guys in the next video.